All right, let's recap yesterday. I just passed 3,000 miles getting into Canada. Unbelievable feeling. Knowing I came from South Florida, got all the way to Canada. I fought through all those winds and rain in Montana and the heat in Atlanta, all that crap. 104 degrees in Atlanta. Montana was the worst. I couldn't get around those winds no matter how hard I tried. So what happened was it pushed me back a day. Because of that, I couldn't get my firearm through. Now, I went through a lot of trouble to get my firearm approved, and I had a window. I had to get on that day, but the wind and the rain just wouldn't let me do it. And of course, it was the weekend, so I couldn't get in touch with the Royal Canadian Mounted Police to update my permit, if I could even have done that. And of course, the Border Control wouldn't answer the phone on a weekend. So I had no way to ask, and I wasn't taking a chance. I mean, obviously, you'll see in the video that I got through with no problem. I could have said, no, I have no guns. I could have got in, but I'm not getting arrested. That's crazy. So, get to the border crossing. There's only one lane open, so it took like a half an hour to get through, maybe a little more. Got through real easy, real nice guy. But as soon as I get to Canada, everything's in kilometers, so I'm not sure what speed limit to go, and I don't know how these cops are, so I'm kind of going the speed limit, and I'm trying to do quick math on it on the way there, and the gas stations aren't clearly marked, and it's like you know how in the U.S. it's next exit 2 miles, all these gas stations, all these food places. Here, there's some weird looking signs. It's kind of hard to read. Their rest areas is basically just a turn off with a bathroom. So I go to the first gas station, and I had to prepay inside. I had to pay exactly. So I paid $10, what I thought was American. It was actually Canadian, so I got like a quarter of a tank of gas out of it, enough to get to the next station. I have lunch in a town. I forgot the name of it. I'll link it here if I remember the name. So that's with an L. Nice town, pretty big town. Ended up buying a fleece pullover because I forgot my turtleneck that I had for like a layer. And I went to get gas on the way out, and there really aren't that many gas stations, and I went to this place called Gas King. I put my card in. Actually, one I went to before that, none of the pumps worked. So I go to this Gas King, and it says how much you want. It tells you, instead of just filling up and it charges your card, you got to prepay $10, $15, $20, $25. I don't know what to put. So I put too little again, only got 3/4 of a tank. Took it into Calgary. Not a bad ride. Calgary's a big city, obviously. I'm staying at a really nice hotel at the Westin. And this was good. Breakfast was amazing. No doubt about that. I'm going to head about 500 miles north, although I'm leaving very late now, so I don't know if I'm going to make that. I'm going to try to find a place to camp out tonight. If not, if it's raining, which it might be, I may just take a hotel tonight. I camp tomorrow night. But for right now, that's the plan. I'm all packed up, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to put the gear on a bike. I'm going to make a couple adjustments, tighten up a couple of things, and then head north. See you at the next stop. All right, woke up with a dilemma. So I'm trying to go camping tonight. I'm heading about 500 miles north. I'll talk about that later. So I clean off my screen, my visor, and I hate this visor, by the way. Again, great helmet. So you secure these with these little tabs. See, that's what 2 actual tabs look like. Apparently, I snapped this little piece off of one. And I lost my other one. Oh, there it is. So I have to scramble to find another piece. Apparently, it's Sunday in Calgary, and motorcycle shops don't open until Tuesday. If I can even find a replacement. I may have to buy a whole new helmet now. I mean, I could ride without the visor for now, but if it gets cold or windy or rainy, especially up in the Dalton, it's not going to work. So I need to figure out something. So I go downstairs. Nice hotels, the Westin by the airport. Beautiful hotel. They don't have a gift shop. So I'm like, So I asked for some crazy glue. They get in touch with maintenance. Maintenance comes through with a box of brand new crazy glue, or flex glue, whatever it's called. I'm gonna see if I can attach this. If I can, maybe problem solved, or temporary fix. So you're gonna stand by while I do this, see if it works. All right, let's see if it works. I don't have high hopes. Feels pretty sturdy, but fuck, I doubt it. Wish me luck. I think it goes this way. It sounds like it's cracking. God damn it. It's still on though. Or go this way. Fuck, I don't want to take a chance. Did it work? Doesn't feel. How does this one feel? A little loose. Let's see if this works. Oh, that's gonna fuck. You know what? I'm just have to leave it down. Well, it's in there. It doesn't feel right though. Well, it's in there. I think it might have worked. I don't know. We'll find out. But will it hold up to the Dalton? I better steal this and bring it with me. Oh my God. Unbelievable. I'm here to model for this. This is the Climb. I don't remember the brand, but this is completely waterproof. I know I don't look like a Harley rider, but I am riding in kind of an adventure bike in the Pan America. So, not my usual Harley gear. I usually wear a hat. Not happening with this. The type of weather I'm going to go through at Dead Horse, and on the way to Dead Horse, and what I've seen so far in Montana, this is the perfect suit. So if you're looking for a good riding suit, this is fully armored. But there's a good chance you're going to go down in this wind. Fully armored. There's vents on the side, so if it's hot, it cools out real good when you close them up and it stays nice and warm. It's all armored, chest armor, there's elbow armor, shoulder armor. It's all armored up. It zips up, and I'm telling you, nice and toasty in it. You can also, these also vents. Air comes flying in, so these are good. You have pockets everywhere. Here. For this weather, it's perfect. If you're in hot weather, I wouldn't get this. But if you're gonna go to Dead Horse or anywhere like that, this suit is amazing. Get one. I stopped at an Esso station over there. And I said, is there any place to eat around here? So they said, yeah, go to the golf course. They have the best Chinese food. Chinese food at a golf course in Brighton, Canada. Actually, I got a club sandwich, but the Chinese food looked really good. I should have got it. Anyway, if you're in the area, maybe you want to stop by some Chinese food at the golf course. Okay, rainy, cold. You see around. On my way to Dawson Creek.